Rajnath Singh, Union Defence Minister, has approved the transfer of DRDO developed technology for all conventional missile systems to Indian defence companies. The move will allow eligible firms to manufacture these missile systems in India, subject to required certifications and regulations. The government has said the decision will boost domestic production, reduce import dependence and strengthen India's defence manufacturing base. Give us more details about this decision taken by the Defence Ministry. Pragati.
Yes, so there. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh's recent approval for transfer of, DRDO missile technology to Indian private players marks a watershed moment in India's military-industrial journey. The manufacturing of strategic and high-end weapons such as missiles has, now been the domain of state-owned public sector undertaking for decades now. By breaking the state monopoly, the government is signaling a radial shift in trust, strategy and execution. And the main reason for the shift is very simple, that is operational efficiency. Defense PSUs have traditionally done really well for the nation, but have often been shackled by bureaucratic red tapeism, multi-layered permission loops, and rigid, this procedural constraints. And these systematic barriers often lead to project delays and slower production. But the private sector, however, is, lean, profit-driven, result-oriented environment. So without the heavy bureaucratic inertia of state-run entities, private firms can make decisions faster, fine-tune their supply chain, and ship products on tighter schedules. Less, red tape means more time on the front lines. And while the incursion of the private sector in Indian defense is not entirely new, the nature of this specific technology transfer makes it historic.